Hello friends, so today let's see some of the more questions from GATE 2014 paper. Okay, so here is the question: a solid sphere of radius r1 and radius r2 concentric sphere, okay, is shown in the figure. The values of r1 and r2 are given. You have to find out the view factor f21. Okay, so since we know 1 is inside 2, so f11 is 0 and f12 is 1. Why? Because all the radiations emitted by first body will be inside second body only. So it means F1 2 is 1. Okay, so we have to find out F21. So we know A1 into F12 is equals to A2 into F21. So from here we can easily find out F21. Okay, now you should know the area of the sphere, surface area of the sphere and everything, and you will easily get F21. Okay, now let's see the next question. This is a question from heat exchanger. Okay, double pipe counterflow heat exchanger. Counterflow means both the fluids are in opposite direction, flowing in opposite direction. Okay, exchange heat between the two water streams. Okay, both are water. So tube side water at 19 liters per second is heated from 10 degree to 38 degree. Shell side water at 25 liters per second is entering at 46 degree. Okay, so assuming constant properties of water, density is 1000 kg per meter cube and specific heat is 4186 joule per kg Kelvin. You have to find out the log mean temperature difference. Okay, and you have to find out that temperature difference in centigrade. So we know both, suppose take it as a the hot fluid and cold fluid. Hot fluid flow rate is given as 25 liters per second and 46 degrees centigrade it is entering. We don't know at which temperature it is leaving out. Okay, similarly for cold fluid we know the flow rate, entering temperature and outlet temperature, density and specific heat we know. So from energy balance we can easily calculate the outlet temperature of the hot fluid, and we know the formula for LMTD, which is log mean temperature difference, theta 1 minus theta 2 by ln theta 1 by theta 2. Okay. So it's very easy. We get theta 1 as 8 degrees centigrade and theta 2 as 14.72. So everything is done here and we can easily calculate LMTD. Okay, now let's see the next question. This is a question from thermodynamics, a very common question in GATE. Diesel engine has a compression ratio, it is given as 617, and cutoff ratio is 10% of the stroke. Okay, so assuming ratio of specific heats as 1.14, which is gamma, it is Cp by Cv. So we have to find out the efficiency. I recommend you to kindly remember the efficiency for Otto cycle, diesel cycle as well as dual cycle. Directly straightforward formula, or you can just remember the efficiency of dual cycle, put gamma equals to 1. From the dual cycle you can easily derive the efficiency of Otto cycle and diesel cycle. Okay, so we know what is a cutoff ratio and what is compression ratio. Compression ratio is V1 by V2. Okay, and cutoff ratio is V3 by V2. Okay, so we know V1 by V2 as 17 and V3 by V2 as 10% of the stroke. 10% of the stroke. What is the stroke? V1 minus V2. This is the stroke length or the stroke volume. Okay, so from here we can easily get V3 by V2 as 2.6. Now we know the efficiency. Directly using the formula you can easily calculate. If you are not at all interested to use the formula, then you can compute the work done divided by the net heat supplied. That also you can do, but that is a very lengthy kind of process. Since we are appearing for GATE exam, you should know the formula. Okay, formulas are only the tricks. So now next question is from the industrial engineering. A project network is given where the numbers along the various activities represent the normal time. Okay, the free float of the activity 4 6 and the project duration is 4 6. Where is 4 6? Here is 4 6 4 6. So you have to find out the free float and the project duration. So first let's find out the free float. Okay, so first of all find out the project duration or free float, anything you can find out, but it's better to eliminate options if we find out the project duration. So if we go from 1467, okay, so 2 plus 4 6, just a second. See, if we go 1 2 5 6 and 7 in this way, then we should check what is the longest duration, which is the longest path. Okay, so 3 plus 2 is 5 and 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. Okay, 1 2 5 6 7, I checked in this way. Now let's see, 1 4 6 7, 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11, so it is not the longest. And 1 3 6 7 is 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12, so the project duration is 13. Okay, now we have to find out the project duration, the free float of 4 and 6, this. Okay, so you have to find out the free float as E5 minus E1, okay, minus TI5, so which is 8 minus 2 minus 4 is equals to 2. If you are having any confusion in how to find out the free float, just revise the industrial engineering subject, and it is very easy. Don't leave the industrial engineering subject, it is very much scoring in the gate exam or any technical exam. Okay, so just practice few questions and you will become master in this type of questions. So okay friends, so rest of the questions I will discuss in the further videos, and thank you and have an awesome day.